Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm Raw Potato, and here we are with episode 16 to build 42 Unstable Project Zomboid. Hope everyone's enjoying your week so far. I hope you caught that last episode where we have a new character. Looks like some quick notes here. We got a little mini update here. Revamped firearms. Ranged weapons have an experimental new method to calculate their hits now based on the chance to damage. It is defaulted to be on, but the previous method remains available in Sandbox. Feedback is welcome. Mac and AMD graphics card users, please let us know if any instability you experience as explore and survive. So let's hopefully that didn't, probably didn't break the game. But let's launch in here, and maybe if we find a gun we can see how it's changed. It looked like you saw the bullets there on the picture there. Here we are Pat Bueno, a classic character of mine. I've survived along with him before. And we died 16 minutes into the last episode again yesterday with Perry Stump, so this is his story. Let's hope we don't make it a pattern right now. Let's hope we can... Our goal is we're just avoiding combat right now. I don't want to die again. Don't know what time it is. This is a kitchen knife kitchen. Oh god. We're just gonna hang out in front of the TV. Wait for the cooking show up. So I don't know what time it is, so we'll just sit on the couch. I love that. That's a really good feature. I'm glad they added that. Oh, it's daytime now. Oh, they shrunk the Moodles. Oh my god. That's down to original size, it seems. But I like that. I liked the original look of them too. I liked that kind of pixely look to them that they had, and I don't know, that's just what I liked. That one's full. Can't put nothing in there. There's that dude with the duffel bag. There's a can of jar of bell peppers here. We gotta cook it to make it preserved. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll get some cooking skill XP. Let's see here. We're 18.75. Let's see what happens. Oh, we gotta turn it on in the oven. We'll grab those apricots. Grab that jar. Oh Jesus! I have my ringer on. I thought it was on vibrate. You hear that doo 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 doo? That's my ringtone. Let's see, what did we get? Oh yeah, we got a little XP for it. That's fun. Curious where I dropped that pistol now. Maybe in that car. Did we find a car? Oh, I don't even remember now. I think we just dropped it outside. Oh, okay. Okay, it's busy. It is busy out here. Doing our best to try and avoid confrontation. Oh, there's him. Okay, that's gonna be... We're gonna kill this guy. Gonna be our first kill. So I want this duffel bag. Did we get him? Oh, nice. Let's grab that. It'll carry more than this. And then this, did we get her too? Oh, nice. Tents, way down. Okay, these are kind of cute. They're the new little Moodles. Nervous. They just look really tiny. I think they should just stuck with the original theme to them, to be honest. We need a watch. Oh, perfect. So I want to catch the TV shows. Anything around? Okay, she's coming after us. And him. Or her. Both of these ladies. I'm just gonna take her out because it just appears we'll have to. Okay, let's take this moment here. We're gonna drop this duffel. We're gonna just basically unload everything into it. See, this holds 18. We could just drop this on the ground. Oh, we can untie this thing. Oh, I didn't even realize that. Oh, cool. And we gained some light-footed. Gymnastic? Let's see what... Gymnast is actually... It's a really good skill. It really is. Don't underestimate the nimble and light-footed. Just being able to move silently. Oh, I like his sweater. I'm not a fan of pink personally, but it just looks like a solid sweater right there. You know what is a solid sweater? That sweater that's back in that house in that package. I think I kind of want that. It's getting stinky over here, so we'll head back south this way. Did we check this garage? Oh, we probably ran it. I think we found a car key in it. Yeah, we did find the car key. How good is this car? Does it have gas? That's the big question. No, it doesn't. What you got? Is that bread knife in there? Letter opener. Is the car locked? No, okay. Oh, we got a lighter. Ooh, that's not fun. Now look, you want that sweater. It's in the box. And this jar of bell peppers. I don't think we checked this room. No, we didn't. Look at that, some yarn. Do we have a blue pen? Oh, we don't have a blue pen. Oh, awesome. I think we emptied that out. One is much better than having 6 chasing after you. Let's just get across here. Maybe we can get into this house. Ooh, I don't like the sound of that. Oh, okay. She's at the window. Take that alcohol bottle. We're gonna have to like make some bandages or something. Hiking bag? Heavy socks. Who's in here? Alarm clock, a pet shelter, catalog. I do want that thread. Oh, nice. 2 spools of thread. I ain't gonna get caught without any sewing kits for a while. Let me tell you. Let's see, we have 2 bottles of disinfectant. Anything in here dead wrong? The explosive bomb. What's next door? We got a house next door. We got that. Alright, let's just go this way. Oh dear. Oh, you got leather gloves on. Oh, those would actually, if those don't have any holes in them. Oh, they don't. Thanks, Jonas Blaine. I like those coveralls too, to be honest. I'm gonna tank top. Fashion boy, remember. Where are them gloves? Let's get those leather gloves on. Open? No. Okay. Oh, no thank you. Terrified. Ah! It's kind of funny. Let's wear these gloves. Always have that hand protection. The amount of times I've been bit in my hand. Ooh, there's just a ton of you, isn't there? I like this house. We're gonna open it up and try and lead these guys away. Maybe cut through like the woods or something. Now there's a big emphasis on combat best avoided now though. There's a huge deal with that, especially with all these debuffs you receive. Because you know, we're not used to it. In real life I figure it'd be almost like the same, you know. I have no experience like, you know, hitting a grown man with a bat. It'd be awful. I wonder where that gun, I wonder where we dropped our gun. Ooh, it's about to be 12. And it's 12, I don't want to miss the carpentry. Oh! Getting tired. Let me in, please. Please let me in. Oh my god. Door open? Oh, come on, every window in this house. Finally. Now watch there be an alarm. Oh, did we miss it? Oh god, we're tired now, so it's taking us a decade and a half to... Hey, we got a problem. Oh yeah, we got a problem. Alright, over here. She's distracted by the door. Anyone around? There's a guy there. Okay. We are, generally speaking, safe. This isn't a car wreck, is it? No, it's just a wrecked car. Or like beat up. What's that battery? Really low? Oh, it has a car key. Oh, awesome. Too bad this car is destroyed. Yeah. It's not at 0, so I think it's like below 10%. Is like the cutoff for where it just doesn't work anymore. Oh, window's open. Pack of smokes right there. I'm gonna take that. We definitely need that. Read this. This is it, Crossroads Mall. Yeah, I know where that is. I've never really been to that mall, actually. I've been to the Louisville Mall. Rope. That could be handy. I'm sure there's things we'll need rope for. Leather jacket, that would be nice. Wear that over. Are we wearing like a denim shirt? We're just wearing a formal shirt, so denim jacket could definitely help. I think we got someone in the bathroom. Home secure, add motion sensor. Neat. Maple syrup. Oh, what we got on the pot? A fresh stew. Ooh. We'll leave that to cook. Some ranch. Unpopular opinion. Ranch is super overrated. I don't like ranch. When I was little, I used to like it, and like, yeah, it's okay. Dip your carrot, dip your broccoli in it, but I do not prefer it on my salad. I like Italian dressing. Oh, you get 5 now? I thought you used to get 4. I think they might have changed that. Let's take these curtains, rip them up. We're gonna disinfect them. I know I should be reading these and just dropping them, but I like to keep track of the ones I've collected. Alright, we gotta get this guy. Shut the door so his blood doesn't go everywhere. There we go. Ooh, a digital watch. Black one too. I usually prefer the black ones over the red. It's done cooking? Almost. Eat all that. Eat that whole crock. And technically it would be wise to hold on to those. Where's their battery? I think that's a bug with batteries always draining. Because I swear that was a full battery. I think we just got stuck with the bug, which we'll have to deal with. It's okay. It's not like I really go out at night anyways. Let's see, where's those disinfectants? There we go. Let's disinfect all the bandages we have. Those are full, right? Those are disposable. Those are good. Do we have matches out right now? No. I mean, I guess technically we only need like one sewing needle. Let's do a little bit of minute management here. We don't need the trapping for beginners. We don't need that yet. Let's grab a smoke. Let's see, we got our pretty much everything. I don't really want the t-shirt hunting camo. I just grabbed it to grab it. I like the long sleeve versions. Alright, let's disinfect the rag. It's gonna make us do them all. Yeah. Guess we should technically do these ones first. I'm shift right clicking. Shift right and then left clicking. Oh, I guess it didn't work. Probably because the bottle was empty. I'll just click them all individually. It's okay. This will lose some weight for us. Disinfect all of these. And it helps you to skip a step in the cleaning process of wounds. God forbid we get scratched or anything. Okay, then we don't need these extra rags. Or this bottle. See, I want to use the disposable lighters. Ugh, it's a garbage battery. Should probably fill those up with water. We got a flask of gin. Necessary. Let's smoke this. Let's fill up our water bottles. Probably wash ourselves too. Get clean. At least that's still there, you know, just being able to wash all your clothes. Fill all our water bottles. We're gonna star that one and see if we favorite it. Put the rest away. Water's so important. We're high thirst too, so let's equip that. And check out this basement. Do we have a rubber hose? Oh, I don't think we do. Oh, perfect. We should probably take the work boots too. Ah! Startled me. Come on, guy, die. Die. This even got battery in it. We're just gonna remove the battery. Not even any alcohol here? Okay, we got a bottle of wine. And we got a beer in the fridge. Have a beer. I wonder if you can make your own beer. I bet you can. Now this, the radio station? Nah. I was looking for the emergency. This is gonna be the test. We're gonna reload this with the good battery. Why'd you put the bad one in it? Okay, we're gonna do that then. Maybe if you have it on in your inventory, like, okay, let's see here. If I unequip it, is it still on? And then if I unequip it, then equip it, Okay, I guess it just automatically turns it on. Well, we're gonna put it away. Got a bottle of wine down there. Disappointing. Oh, this is a good one. This is a farming. Good. Why are we so overloaded? Okay, I guess it's the water bottles. What do we have that we can drop? I know I can drop the magazines. Okay, I know. They're 0.5 now? Oh, God. I thought they were 0.1. That's 2 pounds of magazines that we're holding on to just because I like it. Ew, they increased the weight of VHSs too. Oh, yuck. Oh, I do not like that. No, sir. Okay, I guess we'll read them then and just drop them. Did we pick slow reader? Oh, we didn't pick slow reader. Oh, we're trolling. We're missing out on some points there. Where did I pick up? Oh, the bottles. Where did I get this paperwork? We'll just put these in here then. Oh gosh, that was actually so much weight. How much weight was that water bottle? 1 pound, 2 pounds. How big is this water bottle? Oh! That's a whole 2 liter. And this is a 1 liter. Is there a smaller one? Where our plastic bottles go? Oh, geez, I didn't even realize that. No wonder, okay. These are 2 liter bottles that we're filling with water. Except for that, we'll take that one. But we don't really need to be carrying around that much water. I mean, it's great. But in the sense of we don't have... yeah, in the sense of we don't have the carry capacity for that, I'd rather take the empty pot, so where if we found some bad water, if it rained, we'd be able to boil it down. Much prefer that. Okay, well, let's attach that to our belt. What we got here? Scrap electronics, headphones. Do we have headphones? No, we don't. I'll take them, but I prefer the smaller ones just because of weight. Okay, let's wash up our clothes again. Okay, and set an alarm because I want to catch the TV show. We're gonna set an alarm for 5:50. We're gonna go to sleep. Was that good with pillow? Oh, really? It accounts for that, huh? Okay. Look at that. So, do we actually want to carry around a pillow? I wonder if you could put a sheet down and if it accounts for that too. Okay, let's fill up our water bottle in case an emergency happens and we just gotta like go. We got the hose, the rubber hose, so we could just get in a car and go. Is that it? No way. Day is it? It's only day 2. Where's the TV? Oh god, has this happened today? The amount of people that can't function without television? Like, I'm not innocent. I can't say that I wouldn't be lost without my computer for a little while. I do like to do other things like drawing and stuff, but it would just take me a minute to... Oh god, and like with the phones too. God, it would just take me a minute to understand that I don't have that anymore. Take like a whole month for like everyone's brains to readjust. Ooh, Siggy Pack. Got some foundation makeup. I do like to hold on to that when I like to be all camo. Empty bottle, it's a 2-liter. This open? No. Ugh, kinda got a little bit of a headache today. Just slight ache just occurs. Just it only happens when I'm dehydrated. I can tell I got dry mouth right now. I gotta reach for my water bottle. Well, let's see. That was the car we were planning on taking. I know we couldn't get into the house upstairs because there was a zombie we weren't trying to kill. We could get gas, right? Yeah, we can. We can just take it from there. Oh, and there's still that guy. This is inaccessible, right? Yeah. And this is bars on the window. How about that? Eventually, he will break it down. Oh, we never tried this. Water. Nothing, huh? Car battery. We got some food. We'll take that. Grape soda. That's always fun. Bleach. Box of garbage bags. I wonder how many is in here. Huh. Bet you like 10. That's good to know. I like that. I like that a lot. How's our flashlight battery doing? It's good. Okay, we're gonna take this one. Empty pot. We got a cheroot and a Siggy Pack. Scratch ticket. Then we'll take the candle. Gonna scratch the ticket. Loser. Dang. Okay, it's dark. It's pitch black in here. Oh, a sneak snack bar. Heck yeah. Some protein, dehydrated meat stick. We got the one gas can, so we won't take another. Ah! Okay. We got a screwdriver, ear protectors, electrical wire, heavy chain with a hook, a small hacksaw. Do we have a saw? We don't even have tools. Okay. Tempting. Go see what's in here first. Nothing. A heavy duty flashlight. Those are better. Are they heavier? Is it heavier? Let's see. It's twice the weight. But it is a better flashlight. Nah, we'll go light for now. Let's get that guy to stop banging on that. There's something on the ground. No. I know there's the glasses, but I thought that like that little pebble there. Oh, it's the handle on there. So we got a key. So let's see if we can get upstairs. That'd actually be nice. Check that place out. Is this a basement? Oh my god, I didn't even know this place had a basement. And this is that guy we were trying not to kill. I don't care now. I will stomp them all out. Got a bike helmet. Good protection. If I like living on the edge. That was our rolling pin we found with one durability that... Let's see, can we open this now? We can. Yeah, we found that rolling pin and swung at the guy, hit him, and then he broke it. Ooh, jar of tomatoes. I'll cook that. What was in the ground there? Is that in the trash? Empty gloves? Okay, well let's cook that. Gain a little bit of XP for it. And we'll take a little look around. Any magazines? Oh, what was that? Exposure 6? We have that one, right? Yeah, we got 6. Bottle making at home. Oh. Don't mind if I do. Oh, you can't turn around now while reading. I'll just put that in there. What we got? Some stale, uncooked chicken legs. I guess we could eat. It's on the table. It's just a letter. Okay. Check the bathroom. Oh, excuse me. Tarp would be cool if we can make a tent. We find like sticks or something. See what we got? A little trophy, CD, some matches. Got a belt. What's on that table? A wristwatch. I think this is a closet. This whole time I didn't even know that building had a basement to it. Oh gosh. Curious as to what might it contain. Boxers. Oh, is that a box of chocolates? Oh, hoo hoo. Hello. Look at all those calories. Ooh. Duct tape. I don't see us really needing duct tape right now, to be honest. Well, okay, no, I guess that's a lie. I'll draft the resident key. I don't even really want it. Did he die? He's got a car key to a Chevalier D6. Ooh, the chicken. Oh, and it burned. Damn it. Darn, we got a box of chocolates. 1,700 calories. Oh yeah, that's this car, huh? What's your condition in? Engine's not bad. This isn't an awful car. Can't say that it is, but I think we got a better one right over there. Gotta take care of these ladies. Definitely popping heads a lot easier. I'm sure we won't get too depressed anytime soon. Yeah, well, we can siphon gas. May as well do that, because this is just a garbage car. Oh, you don't even need to take out the hose. Add gas. We got the key for this. Is it on our key ring? Yeah. Ooh, it's such good condition. A sad letter. Just drop this crap on the ground. And we're gonna be able to attach this too. That's a real good score right there. This thing's gonna be loud when we start her up. Oh, is the battery not good? Alright, let's attach her. Attach the trailer. It's gonna be like an extra 80 carrying capacity. I wonder if they fix how trailers work and stuff. I always remember them being kind of bulky and rather kind of dangerous. Refuel from the pump. Take a moment. Ah, crap, TV show. That's carpentry XP right there. Oh, don't be over. Don't be over. Come on, life and living. Oh, missed it. I guess technically we could watch these and drop them, get rid of the weight. Do the same for trapping. I know we don't have the XP red, and it's probably rather inefficient to be doing that. But honestly, trapping's not too hard of a skill to get up. It really isn't. And that's a whole pound that we're dropping too. And we don't need to be lugging around. Ugh, I would want to carry around my magazines and stuff. Just because I'm a little collector like that. And it's just how I've always been in this game. I like to hold on to all the different magazines I find. Oh, we should probably grab that second gas can. I'm going to try and load up the car. Probably going to want that hacksaw too. Spare engine parts are very valuable. Can't really turn those down. Alright, let's get on over here. Let's finish refueling. Fuel her up. We're going to take fuel, fill up the gas cans. They're heavy now. Let me tell you, 11 pound. Almost 12. They were bad enough being 6. I guess with the whole new water transfer system and stuff, they gotta do something about that. But we're gonna put these in the back. Along with that, put the hacksaw in there. Put all these little things. All these heavy things. Put the clothes. All these kind of supplementary things that are just like, you know, for extra, like creature comforts type stuff. Did we take the money from that register? I don't think we did. Give me the cash. Ooh, ice cream. We losing weight? Yeah, we are. Can we eat them both? Nah. Alright, let's see. We could put the handy knife in there. And in the back here, actually, we'll go put this stuff in the driver's seat. Or the front right seat. We got these. I'll hold on to those. If you're getting more than 2 wounds at a time, you're probably about to die. Let's be real here. Let's put these away. I'll hold on to the batteries. I'll hold on to those two. One of them, whichever was the one I used. That one. The razor, put the money. Put the cigarette packs in there, and this cheroot. Candle, the gin flask. We'll keep one thread on us. You never know. I don't want to go through that again. We'll put that jar in there. And that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed. So we got a car. It's all filled up. We got a duffel bag. A leather jacket and gloves. We got a trailer. That's pretty rare. Like, they're everywhere, but they're always so hard to get like a hold of. I'm going to head upstairs here. Or I'm just going to head inside so it's safe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you next time. Bye bye.